This nonfiction book, written by Laura Atkins and Stan Yogi, explores the life of Fred Korematsu. Fred Korematsu grew up in Oakland, California, and was like many other American teenagers at the time. He ran track and he played tennis, got into mischief with his friends. However, everything changed in 1941 after the bombing of Pearl Harbor. Executive Order 9066 was signed by President Franklin D. Roosevelt in February 1942 and forced all Americans of Japanese ancestry to relocate to prison camps. Fred's parents had migrated from Japan before Fred was born. Fred refused to follow these orders and chose to challenge their legality, eventually reaching the Supreme Court. Fred Korematsu's choice to speak up against discrimination and inequality demonstrates courage in the face of adversity. He knew that what the government was doing was unfair. Fred refused to give up, even after being placed in jail. Fred's story should encourage all of us to speak up for injustice, and has made the United States a fairer place for all Americans today.